Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 3 trigonometry. Exercise 3.6 question number 2. Express each of the following as a product. In previous problem we discussed product is given, we are writing as a sum or difference. In this case the sum or difference is given, you want to write as a product form. Just a reverse order. I have the structure sin C minus sin D. What is the formula for sin C minus sin D? Sin C minus sin D, which is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So 2 cos C plus D by 2, 75 plus 35 by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, 75 minus 35 by 2, which gives 2 times cos of 75 plus 35, 110. 110 by 2 gives 55 degree. Sine of 75 minus 35 gives 40. 40 by 2 gives 20 degree. So I can write as a product of 2 cos 55 degree into sine 20 degree. Very simple. This is the form sin C minus sin D. What is the formula for sin C minus sin D? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2, that is 75 plus 35 by 2, into sin C minus D by 2, that is 75 minus 35 by 2. The sum gives 110 divided by 2 gives 55 degree. Difference gives 40. When you divide by 2, it gives 20. Therefore, the answer is 2 cos 55 degree into sin 20 degree. Similarly, you want to use the respective identity here to find the solution. Got it? See here. Cos 65 degree plus cos 15 degree. Here, this is in the form of cos C plus cos D. What is the formula for cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2. What is the sum? 80. 80 by 2, 40. Cos C minus D by 2. What is C minus D? 65 minus 15, 50. 50 by 2 gives 25. That's all. Got it? Very simple. This is the form of cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2. When you add these two, 80, 80 by 2 gives 40. Into cos C minus D by 2. When you subtract, it gives 50, 50 by 2 gives 25. Got it? Here sin C plus sin D. What is the formula for sin C plus sin D? The structure here sin C plus sin D. The formula for sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2. 50 plus 40, 90. 90 by 2, 45. Into cos C minus D by 2. 50 minus 40, 10. 10 by 2, 5. That's all. Very simple. I have sin 50 degree plus sin 40 degree. This is in the form of sin C plus sin D. What is the formula? Sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2. 50 plus 40 by 2, 45. 50 plus 40 by 2 gives 45 into cos C minus D by 2. 50 minus 40, 10 by 2 gives 5. So the final product will be 2 sin 45 degree into cos 5 degree. Got it? See, the last one, cos 35 degree minus cos 75 degree. In 4 identities, almost it looks similar, but the fourth one, this little different, is in the form of cos C minus cos D. What is cos C minus cos D? Minus 2 times sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. See, cos C minus cos D. What is the formula? Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. When you add 110 divided by 2 gives 55 degree. Into sin C minus D by 2. 35 minus 75 gives minus 40. Minus 40 by 2 gives minus 20 degree. Since it is in 4th quadrant, okay, sin minus theta lies in 4th quadrant. Here minus 20 degree. Minus 20 degree lies in 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, sin theta negative. Therefore, sin minus theta can be written as minus sin theta. So because of this minus into minus gives plus 2 sin 55 degree sin 20 degree. Got it? Very simple. This is the fourth one. This is in the form of cos C minus cos D, whose formula is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. When you add 110 divided by 2 gives 55 degree into sin c minus d by 2. When you separate it gives minus 40 by 2 gives minus 20 degree. Since sin minus theta, this is equal to minus sin theta, because minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sin theta negative, therefore minus sin theta. So it will be minus sin 20. Minus into minus plus 2 sin 55 degree sin 20 degree. Got it?